Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Google Messages notifications. Okay, so how do you get that done? Number one, open settings on your Android device. Let's go to settings. Then scroll down and tap on apps and notifications. Now, it could definitely be different in your own. Notifications, then go ahead and select app notifications. Now, ensure that you're set to the all tab so that you can find all the applications. All right, so if needed, you can just go ahead and scroll down to find messages or Google Messages. Or you can use the search icon at the top corner to search for Google Messages or Messages. This is opening up. So now right here, let's go ahead and look for Messages. Now here in Messages, you see that the toggle is disabled. So if it is turned like this, okay, depending on the color of your phone, right? This one, if you toggle it on, it means the toggle goes towards the right and it turns gray. But if you toggle it off, then this has been disabled. So toggle off the switch next to show notifications to completely silence all notifications, and toggle it on to enable it. Now, alternatively, you can customize your notifications to silence by toggling off specific categories like incoming messages, group notifications, or scheduled messages if available on your phone. Now, your Google Messages notifications are now turned off. You won't receive alerts or sounds from app anymore. So that's how it works. So when a new message notification pops, go ahead and long press the notification, tap turn off notification for this app, or tap manage notifications and adjust settings directly. That's a quick way to silence notifications from the notification shade. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.